Come with me to try the new Nashville Hot Chicken. Come on! Let's come inside. Okay, let's try the fries and the chicken sandwich. Let's try this first. That's good. Fries. The spice is really light. It's tandoori fries. It's hefty. It's huge. I can't even hold it properly. Okay, ready? Good? So good. It's dripping everywhere. Mexi grilled chicken sandwich next. Ooh. Okay, let's hope I don't spill this one. Ready? Good? Mm-hmm.